doing another requested video. Some of you guys have been asking me how I wash my brushes. Before I actually start with this video, I just want to say I'm pretty sure this is not like the 100% right way of washing your brushes, but this is how I wash my brushes, and you guys have been asking me how I do it, so I'm gonna show you. First of all, I do not wash my brushes very often kasi hindi ko naman ginagamit yung brushes ko like all the time. I mean, yes, for my powder brushes, I use them quite often, but I do have like 3 or actually 5 or I don't know how many I have, pero I do have quite a lot na hindi kailangang i-wash agad kapag nagamit ko na yung isa, you know what I mean? So I wash my brushes once every 3 weeks, twice a month, something like that. But then again, I do not use my brushes all the time, especially my eye brushes. Kailan lang ba ako nag-eyeshadow? If you watch my everyday videos, alam nyo na hindi ako nag-eyeshadow every single day. Well, ngayon I have eyeshadows. But you know, it's very rare for me to apply eyeshadows. For my eyebrow brush, which I use all the time kasi I always fill in my brows, I do make sure na wina-wipe off ko siya sa aking wet wipe before ko siya gamitin, just to make sure na clean yung brush ko before ko siya gamitin. And also, some of you guys have been asking me, where do you get your brushes? Most of my brushes are from Prettyangelshoppe. I will leave her links below. She has amazing brushes. I do have a must-have brushes video. I will leave the link below if you guys are interested to know what my most used brushes are. Oh yeah, so before I show you guys the actual clip of me cleaning my brushes, I just want to show you first the tool that I use to clean my brushes, and it is the brush egg. This one is again from Prettyangelshoppe, and as you guys can see, meron siyang mga ridges na ganap dito. Tapos meron din siyang mga konting like dots, or I don't really know what to call that. But this is for the small brushes. This is for me a huge help. When I started using this, nakita ko talaga yung difference. Iba talaga yung linis ng brushes kapag ito yung gamit. And it's a great investment kasi hindi ito masisira. Ewan ko na lang kung anong makakasira dito. Except kung kainin to ng aso nyo, masisira siya. To actually clean my brushes, I use Celitech Dermoscience Hydration Facial Wash. I know, right? I use facial wash. Before using this, I actually have been using just a regular shampoo, not a baby shampoo. Like they always say, oh, you should use baby shampoo. I didn't. I used regular shampoo, pero as in konting shampoo lang, tapos maraming water para hindi ganun ka-concentrated yung solution, chart solution. Pero this has been sitting in our bathroom for a really long time. Nobody really uses it. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit I stopped using this as a facial wash, but I just did. This is really gentle on my face, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna be gentle on my brushes as well. Again, I know this is not the ideal thing to use to wash your brushes, but this is what I use, and this is how I wash my brushes routine. So what I do is I dilute this in water. Yung ginagawa ko is naglalagay ako ng water dito sa maliit na container, tapos nilalagay ko ang aking facial wash. Pagkatapos nun, minimix ko sila, and then I take my brush. I usually start with my bigger brush, especially my powder brushes. So what I do is I dip my face brush onto this container. Make sure na binabasa mo is yung bristles lang, hindi yung ferrule ng brush. May tendency na matatouch mo yung glue, and maybe maging weak yung glue, at saka matanggal yung bristles ng brushes mo. Yung ferrule is yung metallic na thingy na nasa ibabaw ng bristles mo. Tapos, siniswirl ko na siya sa aking brush egg. And I just do that. Again, I start with my face brushes. Pagkatapos ng face brushes ko, I then wash my eye brushes. And with my eye brushes, minsan ginagawa ko sila pa isa-isa, or kadalasan ginagawa ko like 2-3 brushes at a time just to, you know, save time. Hindi ko muna sila nire-rinse. Nilalagay ko muna sila sa counter. Tinatapos ko muna sabunan lahat ng brushes ko before ko i-rinse. Again, I'm not sure if that's ideal, but that's what I do. So pagkatapos ko na ma-wash lahat, I then rinse it off. To rinse it off, I don't do this all the time, but minsan siniswirl ko sila again sa brush egg ko just to make sure na in sobrang linis talaga nila. And again, hindi ko to ginagawa sa lahat ng brushes ko kasi nakakapagod na din naman iswirl papabalik sa brush egg lahat. After that, nilalagay ko na sila sa dry towel. Doon ko sila siniset, and hinihintay ko na mag-dry sila ng bonggang-bongga. And yeah, that's basically how I wash my brushes. This video is not the ideal way of washing your brushes. It is how I wash my brushes. That's basically it for this video. Please do like if you enjoyed watching, or if you found the video helpful. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. Do not forget, be good. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys! For me, nalilinis talaga yung maashes. Maashes? Anong maashes? I do not wash my what? Sa